I've heard it being described as bubbles, so you might have, for example, a synthetic biology bubble, and then you might have a space bubble. And if you can bring those two communities close enough, then both bubbles will burst, and there'll be some cross-pollination between the two bubbles. And the same is happening with DeSci. You have the DeFi community, you have the scientific community, and then within that, then you have the people who are working on publication, people who are working on commercialization, people who are working on education. So that's what makes this community so interesting, is that it's undefined and there's so many different sub-disciplines that are coming together and creating something new.
If you think back about why we've actually started working with blockchains, it's kind of to give a disjunct group of people the ability to coordinate with each other.
And it's interesting you mentioned that you're seeing more, biotech investors, people that really understand science, as opposed to people who are trying to make a quick buck with crypto or NFTs or something like that.
No, that's not here. It's not a quick book. It's like, this is biology, it's science. It's just more meaningful.
It's a very interesting way to bring together new types of funding for overlooked areas in particular.
What people in DeSci are working on is the idea of scientists being individuals in this overall ecosystem of science, and they can choose what organization they are affiliating in, and they can build collaborations that go beyond national borders.
What are the tools that we have at hand then that amplifies this takeoff of we really need to change the way we do science?
I'm always shocked by how many things I hadn't thought of. And
it's still a very early and exciting space.
Just go explore and kind of see what's happening.
The exponential increase in the interest as well as the quantity of projects here, I think, is a testament to the opportunity and the potential for DeSci overall.
Or maybe the cell is science, and DeSci will be the mitochondria who would actually provide the real energy to science. And at the end, the scientists, the contributors are like sugars, proteins, amino acids, that come together, and so we just make it more efficient.